They're trying all kinds of different shit.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Why you?
I'd be interested in a set
on them or something.
Yeah, I'd be interested in a set. If they're willing to sell them.
I guess there is 4 and 4 there, right?
Yeah.
Now you would run like a 145 R12.
Those are 13s on this. Those are 13 by 4, 4.5.
Yeah, and then plus we got that Lestrada over there.
Oh yeah, I didn't see those.
That's a 13, and then we run this tire on it.
Foursome?
Yeah, I think that's right.
Yep, that's what I use. Yep, I love those foursomes. Okay. Great tire.
Do you want me to go ask them?
Yeah. What do you guys think about these? We got some round things here. We can put some rubber things to insulate the bounce of the load that you're putting onto the ground. Nice mini truck wheels, 13-inch. They're 13 by 4.5, 13 by 4. So these will run the foursomes. I believe the offset's correct for the U62s and DA63s and stuff of that nature. So they're getting me a price on those. And you can look in here. They got gobs of wheels and tires. On further down, there's hitches. You can walk all the way down that aisle there. You can look up. Up there's more racks and racks and racks of parts. Look what we got here. We got cylinder heads, remand heads. That's nice. Crankshafts. More heads, more cranks. Looks like there's struts and coilovers back here on this shelf. Front end parts. Gobs of tires stacked underneath there. My favorite tire, the foursome. What's the ones you got over there?
They kind of look like these.
The Sparta. They're brand new ones?
Yeah, they're new.
You don't list it yet?
I think so.